Hey everyone! So today, let's talk about front-end development, which is one of the most crucial parts when creating websites. Front-end development refers to the part of a website or app that you can see and interact with. For instance, whenever you open a website, the buttons, images, text, menus, or forms are all made by front-end developers. Front-end developers are all about making websites look cool, easy to use, and responsive on various devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Their main goal is to give users a fantastic and enjoyable experience. When building front-end, developers rely on three main technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is used to shape the web page, CSS helps design it, and JavaScript comes in handy to make it interactive, like when users click buttons or fill out forms. Let's break down this with a quick real-life example. Picture a restaurant. The front end is kind of like the dining area where customers are sitting, getting the menu and making their orders. It needs to look clean, attractive, and easy to comprehend. If the front end is confusing or chaotic, users might just leave the website. In our current world, front-end development plays an essential role because users only spend a few seconds with a website. A well-designed front end can catch users' attention, while a cluttered one might make them leave without a second glance. Front-end developers also use current tools and frameworks like React to build fast and dynamic websites. So, to sum it up, front-end development is all about crafting the visually and interactively engaging part of a website that users can directly experience. It's crucial in creating websites that are user-friendly, attractive, and effective. Thanks for tuning in.